Hi to all viewers. Welcome to Worldwide Cooking Show, which is we will invite all popular chefs from all countries in the world to our show. Today, we have special guests, not just one, but two chefs far from East Africa, which is Kenya. Without wasting the time more, we will welcoming our chef to the show, Roy Kinua and also Joseph Anusu.
Hujambo to all of the viewers. Nice to meet you all here.
Wow, seriously? So amazing. Can't wait to see what you will serve to us. So, who will start first? Either Roy or Joseph?
Oh, it's okay. Let me go first. Okay, let me start with our main dish, which is ugali. Maize flour and water. Step 1. Boil the water. When the water becomes fully boiled, put the maize flour in it. And then stir it. Finally, our ugali is done.
Wow, it's ready to be served on this table to be enjoyed. But I think you have something more want to make to us, right?
Yes, I have it. Here, I will make some popular appetizer in our country, which is mandazi, to be ate with our main dish. The dry ingredient, we just need 4 cups of the wheat flour, and then a teaspoon of baking powder and 2 teaspoons of yeast, half cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt. For the wet ingredient, we just need 2 tablespoons of butter, melted butter, an egg, and 1/4 cup of milk. The first step of making mandazi: mix all the dry ingredient, flour, yeast, baking powder, sugar, and salt, a pinch of salt. Then mix it thoroughly till it's well. Just mix it for 3 to 5 minutes for make it well combined. Let's move to the wet ingredient. For the wet ingredient too, we need to mix it all thoroughly until it's well combined. So, margarine, it's butter, milk, and egg. So whisk it until it's well combined. Okay, we are done. So, for the next step, add the wet ingredient together with the dry ingredient. Okay, then mix it. Mix it gently for, I think it will take, okay, after it become a dough, let's transfer it into a clean surface to knead it. When you're done, knead it until it becomes smooth. Transfer it back to the bowl and sit it for about an hour. Okay, so let's knead it. After we deep fried it, drain the oil for a moment, and our delicious appetizer mandazi is done.
Oh yeah, let's welcome our second chef, which is Joseph Anusu, to our show for the third menu.
Yeah, Joseph Anusu was here to show you our country special beverage, which is passion fruit juice. This water is very delicious, and a lot of our country people love to drink this water. The ingredient to make this juice is very simple. We need passion fruit, lemon, sugar, honey, and water. After that, we have to cut the fruit and take the content of the fruit and put it in a bowl. Next, heat your saucepan and pour in 1 liter of water. When the water is boiling, put in 500 grams of sugar and let it solve. After the sugar is soft, put in 3 tablespoons of lemon squeeze and lastly put in the passion fruit that we stirred before. Let it simmer and optionally put a little bit of honey if you want it sweeter. Shut down the fire and wait for it to be cool. Put in some ice in the glass and then pour in the juice. And our juice is done.
Well, like I said, the ingredients also already delicious. The beverage must be more delicious, right? Can't wait to taste it. So, what waiting more? Let's taste it together.
Before we finishing our dishes, I want to make one more special menu from our country. For our dessert, which is fruit skewer with chocolate dipping sauce. The ingredient for the dessert is pineapple, honey, cocoa powder, apple, orange juice, mango, and persimmon. Put all the fruit into a small piece and then put it in a big bowl. After you are done, put in 750 ml of orange juice in the fruit bowl. Stir the fruit to make sure all the Next, to make the dipping sauce, you need to put in 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 7 tablespoons of water. Put in a small tablespoon of honey and a bit of essence vanilla. Put the filter on top of the jug and filter the passion fruit juice. Take a few of the fruit and put it on a skewer. And our dessert is done.
Wow, so now we have 4 special menu from Kenya country, which is ugali as the main dish, mandazi as the appetizers, passion fruit juice as the beverage, and last one we have fruit with chocolate sauce as dessert. So, I think we are already at the end of the show for today. Thanks to both of you, Roy Kinyua and also Joseph Anusu, which is popular chef from Kenya who is willing to join our show today. Hope to see all the viewers again in another episode. Kwaheri and bye-bye.